Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a mobility wheelchair accessible van. You can see it has a Braun ability conversion. Rear entry, manual ramp and door, very little to go wrong, very easy to operate. What we've got to do here is slide this over while pulling the ramp out. I needed both hands to do it, so I had to set the camera down, but it's relatively easy to do. Just grab the handle there, slide that over and pull it out. Got your ramp coming up inside the van, 34 inches wide, 56 inches of room coming inside the van, 58 inches of room, headroom inside the van. It's got 8 tie-down points to hold a gurney or stretcher. Now it shows a little bit of wear back here, a few bumps, a few bruises. May have had a wheelchair rub against it or something like that. But overall, pretty nice van. It's deep cut, will hold the gurney or stretcher, and you can see it's got the collapsible folding seats. Looking at the pictures, those will fold down. To get them down, it's as simple as pushing this button here and folding them down just like so. So those are easy to do. A few scratches on the back of the chair there. Not a brand new van, but overall it's nice. The dash is in good condition. Has steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, which is another great safety feature. Dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics. Got the cup holders. It's also got the rear air controls back here. And when you've got everybody secure in the van, come back out, take it up just like so. Spring assisted, easy to do. Shut your hatch and you're ready to roll. As far as the exterior of the van, brand new Mastercraft tires, all 4 of them brand new matching. 8/32 of tread on those. It's got the tinted windows. The body's good, clean condition. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's been very well taken care of. I'm going to guess most of these miles were highway miles because there's not many dents or parking lot dents, or I can't really see anything on this van. I do see one small little dent right here. I guess about the size of a quarter. You see if I step back, it's not even visible. But my point in making these videos is I want you to see everything I see. When this van shows up at your house, or if you come and get it, I want you to say to yourself, this is exactly the van Jeremiah represented in the videos. See a smaller than a dime sized dent right there. So again, not perfect. It's got a few miles on it, 128,000 miles. A little crack right there in the seat. Power seat works fine. It didn't affect it all. Just a cosmetic thing. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of smoke or any unusual odors in this van. Very clean interior. Headliner looks good. You see the current miles are 128,700. And we got the 2 sets of keys there. Go to fire it up. Fires up first time every time. All the dummy lights work. There's no check engine light, no airbag, no ABS lights on. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any water damage, no signs of any leaks. Our mechanics have looked this over. I'll show you some of the repairs we did on it. Very clean. This is exactly what we want. As I crawl underneath the van, you can see it's clean. The frame is not all bent up. No signs of any accidents, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any water damage. And you'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, drop my phone over here, rarely, if ever, show you the undercarriage of a van. There's a reason behind that. A lot of them buy these vans from New York and Chicago. They're all rusted out. They've already got problems with rust. And I'm telling you what, don't assume things. Don't assume just because it's a 2017. Don't assume just because it's got low miles. Don't assume because the salesman was nice to you, that it's not all rusted out, that it runs and drives good. That's why I make these videos. I don't want you to have to assume things. I want you to know. That's the number one mistake people make, is they just assume that it's a good van that shows up in the driveway, and 80% of the time, nothing could be further from the truth. So if someone's going to ask you to spend a lot of money on a van, tell them to get off their behind, tell them to get out and make a detailed video like this. And if they won't do that, why are you even talking to them? So let me get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I do that, my mechanics have tested over the power mirrors, the power locks, power windows, heat, air, cruise. We've given this van a full inspection. If there's anything that doesn't work, we let you know about it up front. That window is a little bit slow, but it is cold today. Things move a little slower in the cold, just like me. So let me get this van on the highway so you can hear it run. Before we get this van on the highway, we have checklists and worksheets and receipts and everything we go through on this van. This van had a new oil change, oil filter, left and right front sway bar links, passenger sliding door actuator, air cabin filter, and a right rear brake cable. So nothing major, but you can see my guys put quite a bit of time in this. We put a few bucks in it. We fully inspected it. We're not trying to make these vans perfect, but we're trying to find any significant issues and get those taken care of before it gets to you. With that being said, this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable warranty that we sell, aftermarket warranty that's good anywhere in the country on all used vehicles. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run and feel the transmission shift. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've made sure the van runs and drives good. We've checked it over and got it out and drove it. Gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. You can see the steering wheel's nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. Runs and drives down the highway real nice. And look, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans, from private individuals to dealers. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And it's not something when you buy from an individual, you have no idea if they're a good person or not. There's no track record. When you buy from these dealers, be sure to look up their ratings online. We have A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have, I saw 4.8 out of 5 stars on Google. We have over 600 reviews on eBay. All of those are positive, 0 are negative. So not all dealers are the same. They're not all created equal. You know, don't think just because someone's being nice to you on the phone that they serve a quality product and they're being honest about what they're selling. So we also don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, and they got a $500 or $1,000 in fees, dock fees, tag fees. They make up all these fees just to try and get you on the back end. They keep their price really low online because they want you to call. They want to try and sell you on the van. And then, you know, once you get in there, it's, oh, we got this fee for this and we have the fee for that. That is not how I do business. I don't hide things. I don't try to slip money on the back end. You know, then you start factoring in shipping with these companies. Next thing you know, that price you saw online is $2,000 or $3,000 higher than what to get the van to you. Our price, the van you see, is to get the van in your driveway. So if you want to check out our entire inventory, give us a look at www.mobility316.com. And keep in mind, when you call and talk to the competition, you're going to talk to a used car salesman. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. A lot of these used car salesmen won't be working there in 2 or 3 months. They're out chasing that commission check at another dealership. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is getting that income, that cash, that commission. Well, for me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you to repeat business. I want to be honest with you. I want you to feel good about the product that you're getting. We do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your email, or we can send a link to your cell phone. If you ever want to come in, please give us a call and make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. It's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition if they are committed enough to quality and making sure you get a good experience. Are they going to give you the owner's cell phone number? Ask them. See what they say. I'd be interested to hear about that. So, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.